Kinds of quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon which has four sides. So, different kinds of quadrilaterals are: first is trapezium. What is a trapezium? In a trapezium, one pair of opposite side is parallel. Only one pair of opposite side is parallel. The type of quadrilateral is kite. In a kite, exact two pair of adjacent side is equal. In this quadrilateral ABCD, since it is a kite, so AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. These are two adjacent pair of equal sides. Third is parallelogram. In a parallelogram, both pair of opposite sides are equal. AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to DC. About angles. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. About diagonals. In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. ABCD is a parallelogram in which AC and BD are diagonals. These diagonals are unequal but bisect each other. That means if diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at point O, so OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Exercise 3.3, question number 1. Given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. Here AD, we write here AD is equal to BC because opposite sides in a parallelogram are equal. Again, the second part is angle DCB is equal to DCB is this angle. So angle DCB is equal to angle DAB. Angle DAB, because in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Third part, OC. OC is equal to OA. OC is equal to OA because in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. So OC is equal to OA. Fourth part, measure of angle DAB. Angle DAB means this angle. Angle CDA. CDA means this angle. These are co-interior angles. So in a parallelogram, sum of two co-interior angle is 180 degree. So measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle CDA is equal to 180 degree. Exercise 3.3, question number 2. Consider the following parallelogram. Find the values of unknown x, y and z. In this question, value ABCD is a parallelogram and value of angle B is 100 degree. We have to find value of x, y and z. So we will use property of a parallelogram. Since in a parallelogram co-interior angles are supplementary, that means sum of two co-interior angle is 180 degree. So we will write here x plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles of a parallelogram. So value of angle B is 100 degree. So x plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, that is 80 degree. Similarly, in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So angle D is equal to angle B. Reason is opposite angles of a parallelogram. This is a symbol of parallelogram. So y is equal to 100 degree. Similarly, angle A is equal to angle C. Same property, opposite angles of a parallelogram. So z is equal to x and value of x is 80 degree. So angle z is also equal to 80 degree.